In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode on Draw.io. If your Draw.io editor is currently using a dark theme and you want to switch back to a brighter, easier to read interface, this is a very quick setting to change. The good news is that you can do it directly from inside the editor, and it only takes a few clicks. Once you're inside the Draw.io editor, move your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find several options for adjusting how the workspace looks and behaves. To change the theme, click on Extras. After that, hover over Appearance. This will open the display options related to the editor's visual theme. From there, select Light if you want to completely turn off dark mode and use the standard bright interface. As soon as you click it, the editor should update right away so you can immediately see the change. This is the best option if you prefer a cleaner white background or if dark mode makes diagrams harder for you to view for long periods. You'll also notice an automatic option in the same menu. If you choose automatic instead of light, Draw.io will follow your system or browser theme settings. That means the appearance may switch between dark and light depending on your device preferences. So if your goal is to keep dark mode off consistently, light is usually the better choice. This setting is especially helpful if you're sharing your screen, preparing diagrams for presentations, or simply want better contrast while editing. A light theme can make certain shapes, lines, and text feel more familiar and easier to work with, especially in bright environments. And that's it. To turn off dark mode on Draw.io, just go to Extras, hover over Appearance, and choose Light or Automatic if you want the app to match your system settings. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable the editor feels while you work. If you're following along, you can pause here and make the change now in your own editor. Once you've selected the theme you want, you're all set and can continue working normally.